Well, Sunrise rocks this morning with the Tyler Denning Band. Here they are performing their original song, Human Nature. Check it out.
I can see it in the way that you're moving. I can hear it in the words that you say. I can smell it in the air like perfume, and it's just a kiss away. Yeah. See, it's all about the look that you're giving. Girl, your eyes are the door to your soul. I'm walking through and it's easy to see you're about to lose control. Yeah. I know it's hard to fight, but it's just human nature. Sometimes you just gotta let it go. I got my share of scars, so it's true when I tell you that I won't do you any harm. Yeah. But what's the point of holding back your affection? Why would anyone deny what they feel? You need love to get over rejection. My love is real, yeah. I know it's hard to fight, but it's just human nature. Sometimes you just